everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this tiny heart. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. I had posted a video a while back with crochet mini hearts, that is a size bigger than this. In that tutorial we had used triple crochet and double crochet for the heart, and in this tutorial we are using double crochet and half double crochet. So this is a bit smaller than the one we made earlier, so it's a tiny heart. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 4 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn. For this tutorial I have used crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to chain 3. It's 1, 2 and 3. And now in the magic circle you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And now we need to work 3 half double crochets. Now for a half double crochet you need to yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now that is your half double crochet. We'll do that again for the second half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So we've completed 2 half double crochets. You need to work 1 more. So now we have our first chain 3, 3 double crochets and 3 half double crochets. Now after you complete your 3 half double crochets, you need to chain 1. You work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and now you need to work 3 half double crochets like we've done here. So 3 half double crochets, that's 1, 2 and 3. And now you need to work 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2 and 3. After you complete your double crochets, you need to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, and now you need to work a slip stitch into the magic circle like this, and now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now once you cut the yarn, you need to pull the loose end of your magic circle to tighten the heart. And there you have your tiny crochet heart ready. Once you pull the loose end nice and tight, you get the shape. I like to tie a knot at the back to secure the stitches, and then you need to work in the loose ends. We've completed working the crochet tiny heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.